Good afternoon. Robot kinematic. The kinematic describe the analytical relationship between the joint position and the end effector position and orientation. So kinematic is the study of relationship between the robot's joint coordinate and its spatial layout, and it is a fundamental and classical topic in robotics. So kinematic can yield a very accurate calculations in many problems such as positioning a gripper at a place in a space, designing a mechanism which can move a tool from point A to point B, or predicting whether a robot's motion that would collide with obstacle. Kinematic is concerned with only the instantaneous value of the robot's coordinate and ignores their movement under the forces and torques. The kinematic problem may be rather trivial for certain robots. Next point is forward and inverse kinematics. So forward kinematic refer to the use of kinematic equation of a robot to compute the position of the end effector from specified values to for the joint parameters, and the reverse process compute the joint parameters that achieve a specified position of the end effector, which is known as inverse kinematic. The forward kinematic, that is direct kinematic, to determine where the robot's hand. So here diagram for this is shown. The theta, D and L. Theta is at the pose, and inverse kinematic is to determine what each joint variable is. So forward kinematic is the mapping function from a joint space to a Cartesian space, and inverse kinematic is mapping from Cartesian space to the joint space. So this is shown in this diagram. So forward kinematic refer to the use of kinematic equation of robot to compute the position of end effector from a specified value for the joint parameters, and the kinematic equation of the robot are used in robotics, computer game and animation. The next is manipulator. So in robotics, manipulator is a device which is used to manipulate material without direct physical contact by the operator. The application were originally for dealing with radioactive or biohazardous material using a robotic arm, or they were used in inaccessible places. So manipulation is an advanced capability that sets the robot apart from most other computerized or automated system. A robot's ability to physically interact with and modify its environment, that is manipulated, so provide the possibilities for vast number of applications. Inverse kinematic. In computer animation and robotic, the inverse kinematic is the mathematical process of calculating the variable joint parameters which are needed to place the end of kinematic chain, such as root manipulator or animation character skeleton, in a given position and orientation relative to the start of the chain. So inverse kinematic is also used to recover the movement of an object in the world from some other data, such as a film of those movement and a film of word as seen by the camera, which is itself making those movements. So these occur. In robotics, the inverse kinematic makes the use of kinematic equation to determine the joint parameter which provide a desired configuration, determining the movement of the robot so that its end effector move from an initial configuration to desired configuration is known as motion planning. So inverse kinematic transforms the motion plan into a joint actuator trajectories for the robot. The similar formula determines the position of the skeleton of an animated character. It is moved in a particular way in film. So this diagram shows the forward kinematic and inverse kinematic positions and the joint angles. Thank you.